Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I am unboxing a brand new ORICO E7400 1TB NVMe SSD. This is a Gen4 M2 SSD that promises read speed up to 7.4 gigabit per second and write speed up to 6.6 gigabit per second. It's designed for desktops, laptops, and even PlayStation 5. If you are interested to buy this SSD, I have placed the purchase link in the video description. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The packaging is very simple and clean. Okay, I am cutting the box very carefully. Okay, inside the box, here's the SSD. Wow, ORICO includes a quick start guide, warranty documentation, a screwdriver, and a screw, which is very nice. This is a standard M2 2280 form factor SSD, which means it fits most modern laptops and desktop motherboards that supports NVMe drives. The ORICO E7400 uses a Gen4 X4 interface. According to the official specification, the 1TB SSD offers up to 7400 Mbps sequential speed, 6600 sequential write speed, 600 terabyte endurance, host memory buffer, dynamic SLC cache, smart support, RIM support, graphene heat spreader, and PS5 compatibility. But keep in mind that real world speeds always depends on your motherboard, CPU generation, operating system, and obviously workload. One thing many people have noticed recently is that SSD prices have increased worldwide. The main reason is tight NAND flash supply and growing demand for the AI hardware, which has pushed memory prices higher across the market. Many buyers who are waiting for lower prices have instead seen SSDs become more expensive over the past year. So, if you are shopping for storage in 2026, you are probably paying more than you would have a year or two ago. So my first impression is positive. The PCB looks well finished. The graphene heat spreader should help with the heat dissipation without adding extra thickness, which is very useful for laptops. So, and also on paper the specifications are very impressive. Since this is only a unboxing video, I won't be testing it today. If you like to see crystal disk mark, Windows boot time, file transfer test, let me know in the comments. I will make a separate video in future. If you are interested in purchasing this SSD, you will find the buying link in the product description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to Galaxy Station, turn on notifications so you won't miss future SSD reviews, PC hardware videos, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.